Events blocks. Events blocks control how the blocks in a sprite will start to run if a particular action is done. Events blocks manage events and script execution. They are yellow in color. Blocks functions. When flag clicked. This block activates the script when the green flag or go button is clicked. When key pressed. This block activates the script when the chosen key is pressed. When this sprite clicked, this block activates the script when you click the sprite. Broadcast and wait. This block sends a message to all sprites, triggering them to do something and waits until they all finish before continuing with the next block. Wait 1 seconds. This block pauses the running of the script for the specified number of seconds.